Catherine Fulvio, atá sa chéiste. Nis Catherine cad é seo. What is this?
Ag déanamh pláta pasta.
Oh no, yes, it's fod. August, Ken sort species, what kind of spice and stuff are we using? Or
Very southern Italian.
Lovely.
I'm kind of two sauces on the go at the one time because they both melt together. So we need spaghetti.
Yeah.
But I have a pan on because I want to do a smoked bacon, creamy, spinachy sauce here.
all I can see is hearts coming out of your
So
head and your
good.
shoulders. I don't know. Anything with creamy and bacon, Catherine.
It's so good.
Yeah.
And then I have a tomato sauce that I'm going to put olives in. Are you okay with olives?
Lovely, yeah.
Lovely.
Yeah, good.
So we get our pan on.
Like that as well. Love olives, actually. They're really
yes,
nice.
They're very healthy as well.
Yeah, very good for us.
All right, so in we go now with our smoked bacon. And we'll just brown this off.
Yeah. And you kind of go for the streaky one.
Yes.
Streaky bacon.
So this, you can buy your pancetta and cook that off. But the Irish smoked bacon lardons are lovely.
Yeah.
They're really nice and you can get them everywhere.
Yeah.
So we're getting a bit of colour going on that. Meantime, I've cooked spaghetti. Now, spaghetti's sitting here in the saucepan, just ready to be strained off. It's just done. I was trying to time it exactly.
Yeah, so what timings are we talking about?
It usually says on the pack, because every spaghetti is different. Certain brands, the ones from Italy themselves, the good ones from Italy, they will say on it, this cooks in X minutes.
Yeah.
And they mean it.
They're not messing around.
And they mean a rolling boil of salted water.
Yeah.
And you put your pasta in, and if it says 8 minutes, it will be done in
It's
8
not
minutes.
9, it's not 8.5, it's 8 minutes.
It's 8 minutes.
I never knew the timings were on all the different packages.
Yeah, they are. And you want it al dente. You want a little bite in it, dahi. You need a lot of salt in the water. And that's what a lot of people don't know or don't think about.
Yeah.
Because, you know, we're just thinking, I sure don't want it to be over salty, it's not healthy, blah, blah. But actually, a nice bit of salt in the water seasons the pasta for you. So it should taste like seawater.
Yes. I know what you're saying, yeah.
So with the leek,
Yeah.
what we're going to do is, you've got the root end here, top end. The dirt of the leek goes up to the top because it comes up from the ground. So get your knife, run down like that into the centre, like so.
Nice and careful.
So that you open it out like that.
So
and then you
but
go
there's
under
no
your
dirt
tap.
inside there now. How would you get one so clean?
You turn it, oh, this one, there could well be.
Is
Don,
there?
look, there.
Okay, yeah.
You see?
Yeah.
See? So turn it upside down.
Anytime I get
onto
those
the top.
leeks, oh my God, the amount of dirt that comes out of them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's always at the top, Dahi. So that's, you just fan it open at the top and get the dirt out.
Yeah.
There you go.
Sounds good. And leeks are great.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're really, like, sweet and so flavourful. And it's not as strong as onion.
No.
You know? So we want finely sliced leeks for this.
And so is the smell of that bacon, Catherine.
Oh, isn't it so good?
Oh my God.
I tell you what, it'll convert to anybody now. It's so lovely.
Yeah.
I love a bit of smoked bacon cooking.
Yeah.
So we're just getting this on, and then you can put this in on top of the bacon, and then we let this cook down.
And you use the whole thing?
Not for this recipe, not for what I'm making today, but you can put it all in because it wilts down.
Yeah.
I'd say that'll probably do us, Dahi.
Perfect.
There we go. So
they're going in on top of the bacon.
That'll go in on top of the bacon because the bacon is crisped now.
Yeah.
In the actual recipe, I have said remove the bacon and so on. But again, I want to show that it can be one pot as well.
If you wanted it to be.
Yeah, exactly. So we cook
and the leeks will soak up all those lovely flavours as well.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So you let that cook down. Meantime, the next thing we need here is a little bit of spinach. So we have the spinach. We can also use the kale that I brought. We have a bit of spinach here, and we want to slice the spinach. So we're just going to chop like this.
Nice and easy.
Yeah, chop like that.
That pork dish you made earlier was beautiful.
You like it?
Oh,
yeah.
It was just so full of flavour.
Yeah, it is, and it's that sweet, salty, sour mix.
Really
that
nice.
is always a crowd pleaser.
Yeah.
But I love the fact that it's an empty your fridge kind of recipe.
Yeah.
And this is an empty your fridge. I've leeks because I had leeks.
Yeah.
But equally, like we said, shallot could go in, spring onions,
good.
smoked bacon. Instead of that, use chorizo.
Yeah.
Like literally open the fridge door and just kind of go, I'm using that up.
Chorizo would be nice with the stew, wouldn't it?
Lovely.
Yeah.
It's so nice in that. That's wilted down, and I'm just putting in a bit of garlic here now.
Yeah.
And I've just got dried oregano because I have fresh in the garden back home at the moment, but it's just not the best. It's just the start of it.
I know what you're saying.
So I said I'd wait, but fresh oregano is so easy to grow.
Yeah.
So easy. Now look at that. We're on the home stretch with this. So we want to add a bit more flavour to that. So I'm going to put in a little bit of rosemary in here. So we
love rosemary around here, don't we? Rosemary gets into everything.
I love rosemary, sorry. I do. And it grows so well.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
So that's going to give a nice depth of flavour. Okay, next, spinach goes in.
Now, can I ask you about the rosemary that you put in there now? Do you have to take them out again later on, or can you eat them away?
No, what I did was I held it at the top, like this, and pulled down. So you pull down like that, and the rosemary comes off in your hand.
But the stuff you're going to put in, can you eat that? You can, or should you take it out?
Oh, no, that'll wilt down.
That'll wilt down?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
If you don't like the texture and then you can chop it finely.
Yeah, yeah,
No,
yeah.
it'll wilt down, Dahi, it'll be fine. So now the spinach has gone in, so you can see this is coming together. Then we're going just with a little bit of stock.
Is that chicken stock or veg stock? Or?
That's chicken stock, but
Chicken
you
stock.
could use vegetable stock,
Yeah.
but being as there's bacon in it,
Yeah.
do you know, you might as well. Then we're going with a bit of cream. You said you're happy with that.
Yeah, always happy
so
with
in
that.
that goes. All right, and then we're going to just season that with a little bit of salt and pepper, and that's your sauce. The other sauce, it's in the saucepan there. It's just a simple tomato sauce. Again, I have some fresh herbs
When
in
you say
there.
tomato sauce, is that just kind of blitz tomato?
Garlic,
that's it?
tomatoes, herbs, bit of salt, bit of pepper.
And that's it?
And that's it. And the olives go in there.
In there, yeah.
And there are two sauces, and they can be made and kept separately. This could be served on its own.
Yeah.
And this can be served on its own. But we're just ready to serve now, Dahi.
Yeah.
So our pasta's done. Right, I'm going to show you what we do now. I'm going to strain off the pasta first.
Yeah.
So,
I'll have to ask you about the pasta, but I'm going to wait till Sinead comes over because we were chatting about it last week, right? How do you know when pasta's done? And
it should have a little bite.
but
Just al dente.
did you ever do the throw the pasta against the wall test?
No.
Had you heard of it?
Oh, I've heard of it all right.
Because Derry Clark was here and our Sinead, and it was 2-1. Both of them had never heard it before.
Oh, yeah, I've heard of it that it sticks, you throw it to the ceiling, or if you want to throw it to the ceiling, you never get it back off again.
I know you only throw a small bit in.
Yeah, I know,
Throw a
I
small
know.
bit in. Yeah, a bit of spaghetti, and that's how they know it's done.
No. Well, you see, if it's al dente, it'll be sticky.
Yeah, yeah,
So when
yeah.
you think of it,
Yeah, of
like
course.
if it's too overcooked, it's really going to fall
Yeah,
apart, so it
yeah.
won't stick to anything.
Well, they were looking at me like I was a complete weirdo the last day. An absolute weirdo altogether. And she's still even denying it. She can't even come in now, she's laughing so much. Anyway, go back to that.
The tomato sauce is
goes
going in here
okay.
now. You
Yeah.
see? So this is where this comes together. So again, like the previous recipe, what I've done is I've included a huge amount of veggies.
Yeah.
We've tomatoes, we've leeks, we've spinach, we've loads going on here. And you stir this together and the whole thing turns a gorgeous pink colour.
Look at that.
And then you just leave it to simmer, and we're just one more key ingredient to go in here, and that is I'm using soft goat's cheese.
Lovely.
To bring a bit of Irishness to the table. But you could put in a bit of feta or parmesan if you want, but it needs a bite of something. So,
Yeah. Soft goat's cheese.
Soft goat's cheese. So I have some here.
I don't know if I've had soft goat's cheese before.
Spreadable goat's cheese?
No.
Have you not?
No, I don't think
See,
so.
I'll get you a little fork here, Dahi, in a
Lovely.
sec now.
Look
I'm just going to put it into one I
Yeah.
made earlier.
Yeah.
Right? And then I'm going to put some on top as well, Dahi. But meantime, you have a little taste
I'm
of
going to have a
goat's
taste
cheese
of this
and see
now
what
because
you
I've never
put
had this
there.
before.
And I'll start serving up.
No, miss, I've never heard of throwing pasta in a
hadn't.
wall.
And you said I was looking at you like you're a weirdo because of it. I was probably looking at you like that anyway.
True.
But I hadn't heard of it. So you got the whole...
But Derry couldn't either. Derry
No.
never heard of it either.
But so that's how I felt a bit validated. I was like, yes, well,
That cheese is beautiful.
Derry didn't,
Is it
and
nice?
he's a chef.
I never
It's
had
nice
this
and mild.
spreadable, goat's cheese before.
I've only ever had goat's cheese when I misordered it, thinking it was deep fried brie before, and I
Do you like it?
No, I did
you
not.
not?
No, I didn't like that.
Yeah, yeah.
So I'm afraid, but
think
I'll
you might
try
like
it.
this.
I'll try it in this now
It's
because
much
it's mixed in.
milder
Yeah.
than like a feta.
Look at the
So-
colour of it, Catherine, as well. It's changed so much.
Yeah, so there we go. This is our sauce. I love this dish. I think it's one of my favourite pasta dishes, and you know I have a lot of favourite pasta dishes, to be quite honest.
Catherine, to be fair as well, it doesn't cost a whole lot to make something like this.
No.
You'll feed a lot of people.
You would. And
A lot of
now
veg
we've
in
got
it too,
a.
in fairness.
A lot of veg in there as well. It smells great.
Shall I put a dollop of goat cheese on top of yours as well?
Go on, chance it,
Yeah.
sure.
Okay, Sinead, she's on. There we go.
I'll try
and
it.
then just
See what
'cause we
happens.
can, a little bit of parsley goes on, like so, to make it look pretty.
Thought it was coriander.
And no, I forgot about the coriander. Sorry.
I took a bite earlier, I was like, "Ugh."
yeah.
But
And
actually,
I
it
brought
was
some
still
fresh
delicious.
basil. That could go in as well. So
Thanks
there you
so
go.
much.
Try that
Now,
now.
Sinead, that's
Thank
for
you,
you.
Dahi.
Lovely stuff.
Thank you, Catherine.
Can't wait for this now. That's why I don't wear a white shirt on a Monday when Catherine's here. The spaghetti.
It's the spaghetti that's a cursed eat, isn't it?
Oh, Catherine, that's gorgeous.
I'm afraid it's going to go everywhere.
There's such a lovely sweetness inside there.
Yeah.
Isn't there?
Yeah.
Like, just go away in there now with cameras while we eat this.
Talk amongst yourselves now,
I know, but when you
Sinead.
think about it, you've got the sweet leeks, you've got the
Yeah.
smoky bacon
Yeah.
with the saltiness of the bacon, you've got the sharpness of the
It's
goat's
lovely.
cheese,
It's all
the
going on.
creaminess of the cream.
Yeah.
You've everything in there.
You certainly do.
Yeah.
You really do.
Catherine, thank you.
What's wrong?
My pleasure.
Always great to have you.
It's delicious.
RT.ie/food for this recipe and the one we had earlier on as well.
And that's it.